Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Abercrombie. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up the Abercrombie site and then shop online. So just shop whatever you want. So add any item to the cart and then just get to the checkout page or the checkout section here. So for example, here I'm just using this as a demo. So I'm going to like check out. So when you check out here, so what are you going to do here? So when you get to this when you initiate this checkout process here, so you can just need to um, plug in your provide your basic details and then the shipping details and everything. For example, here just choose any shipping details, and then when you get to here, so that's you provide your shipping address, that's fine. And then when you get to your payment method here, so you have different types of options here like gift cards, PayPal or Poly, and all this information, all this payment type here. All right. So what you can do here, these options here varies depending on your region or location. So for example, if your region supports Klarna or any other payment options, then you should also see that here. If not, then what you can do, you can always use this credit and debit card option. Select the credit and debit card option, and then here for the card details, what you can do, you can provide your, since they accept Visa cards, so what you can do, you can use your Klarna prepaid Visa card. So for example, if you go to your Klarna app and access your one-time card, if you need help with generating this digital one-time card, then you can use you can check out our separate video on our channel that covers generating these one-time cards. So you can look into it if you need help, right? So you can what you can do, you can, since this is a Visa prepaid card, you can use this card here, this card details here, and then plug it into into this credit card information here, because and use it as a usual credit card or debit card, and then hit on and then add it, and then you can just proceed with the submit the order and proceed with the order. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.